Hey everyone, it's Top Health Tips. A bright white smile can boost your confidence and leave a lasting impression. With so many teeth whitening products and methods out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 best tips to whiten your teeth fast and effectively. Are you ready to say goodbye to stained teeth and hello to a brighter, more confident you? Stick around to discover the secrets to a whiter smile because last 2 tips on our list are most interesting ones. You will be surprised. Let's kick things off with a tried and true method. Baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive that can help remove surface stains from your teeth. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste. Apply this paste to your teeth and let it sit for a minute or two, then brush thoroughly. Baking soda not only helps whiten your teeth but also neutralizes acids in your mouth. Use this method a couple of times a week to see a noticeable difference in the whiteness of your teeth. Also, if you want to find out more about great benefits of baking soda, make sure to check that video too. Next up, we're diving into the world of oil pulling, an ancient practice that has gained popularity in recent years. Coconut oil is a popular choice for oil pulling due to its antibacterial and whitening properties. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. As you swish, the oil pulls out impurities and toxins from your mouth, contributing to a brighter smile. Once you're done swishing, spit the oil into the trash can, not the sink, as it can solidify and clog the drain. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water and brush as usual. Comment down below if you knew about this one. Now let's talk about power of peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a bleaching agent, breaking down stains and discoloration on your teeth. You can use a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution for teeth whitening at home. Mix equal parts of 3% hydrogen peroxide and water. Dip your toothbrush into the solution and brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Avoid prolonged contact with your teeth and gums, and never use a higher concentration than 3%. Also, you can make toothpaste with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Make your own toothpaste with 2 parts baking soda with 1 part 1 to 3% hydrogen peroxide. Brush your teeth with the paste for 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinse your mouth with water. Use baking soda and hydrogen peroxide once a week at most to whiten your teeth. If you experience any sensitivity or irritation, discontinue use and consult with your dentist. Remember, safety first. Eat your way to whiter teeth. Believe it or not, what you eat can have a significant impact on the color of your teeth. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural stain removers. Strawberries, despite their red color, contain malic acid, a natural enzyme that can help whiten teeth. Coffee, tea, red wine, and sugary drinks can all contribute to discoloration over time. If you're a fan of these beverages, try using a straw to minimize contact with your teeth and rinse your mouth with water after consuming them. The foundation of a white smile: good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day using fluoride toothpaste and a soft bristled toothbrush. Flossing once a day is crucial for removing plaque and food particles from between your teeth. And don't forget to schedule regular dental checkups and cleanings. Your dentist can provide professional teeth cleaning and address any underlying issues that may be affecting the color of your teeth. Show off that smile. There you have it, the top 5 tips to help you achieve a brighter, whiter smile. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine to see the best results. Also, if you know some extra tips, share your experience down in the comments to help the others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Top Health Tips for more health and wellness advice. Stay tuned for more videos and keep smiling.